Ecology Test Level 3 Accelerated. Number 1. The graph below shows the numbers of acorns and squirrels over 5 years. Which statement do the data in the graph support? A. As the squirrel population increases, the number of acorns decreases. B. As the squirrel population decreases, the number of acorns increases. C. The squirrel population has no relationship to the number of acorns. D. The squirrel population is directly related to the number of acorns. Number 2. The graph above shows how a white-tailed deer population recovered over a 10-year period after a population crash. Wolves in the same area primarily feed on deer. Which graph shows the most likely change in wolf population for the same 10-year period? Number 3. The graph below illustrates the size of a paramecia population over time. The introduction of a competitor most likely occurred at which point on the graph? Number 4, the graph below shows the changes in the populations of beetles and wasps. The wasp larvae feed on the beetle larvae. The beetle population is highest when the wasp population is A, low, B, high, C, steady, D, at 0. Number 5. Which climate graph most likely represents a tropical rainforest? Number 6. Examine the climate graph below. What type of climate most likely is represented by this graph? A. A hot and dry climate. B. A climate with mild winters and summers and mostly rainy during the spring months. C. A cold and wet climate. Or D. A climate with cold winters and warm summers and mostly rainy in the summer months. And number 7. In the early 1900s, an effort was made to protect the deer population that lived on the Kaibab Plateau in Arizona. Over 6,200 deer were hunted. In your answer document, explain the reasoning for the rapid increase from 1910 to 1920. Then explain the reasoning for the rapid decrease from 1920 to 1925 for 2 points.